Welcome to Quick 3D Tutorials. Today's video I will show you how to create a vector displacement map brush inside Mudbox and using it for sculpting later. So to do this, actually we need to have a normal plane like this, and we're going to duplicate this one. Then we're calling it for HD for the high vision. We can now just hide the low one and just press Shift D a couple of times so we have detail to work on it. Then we can just start by sculpting any things we want, and to not see the yellowish you can just right click, deselect the model, maybe I'm going to use the grab, so I just post the video. So now we have just make a very simple one, and for the vector always so the displacement map only calculating from 0 to 1, but the vector can calculate also the different direction. So we can also maybe make it a bit more so we'll see it better. So something like this. So now we are finished to make our vector. So we want actually now to export it as a brush and using it later on. So to do this, we're going to UV, extract texture, select the vector. Then we're going to add the low vision, which is this one, and we're going to add the high level, which is this one we have just sculpting it. Then we can just use the default setting as well and use the size we want. So maybe this one. Anti-aliens, it may get a bit smooth, but maybe 2x is fine. And we want to use the relative. And that is important, you have 32-bit, and you can just save it as brush. The important thing, you adding VDM. If you're not adding this and I save it, so it will automatically add this for me, and I don't want to have the preview, and I am ready to extract this. So it is about to be finished. So now it is finished, we're just closing it. And I just creating a new scene with a simple plane. And from here we're just adding a couple of levers to it to get the same information we want. So now I want to use it as a brush. I don't want to have the mirror to be off, and I can just go to this section and go ahead and add this one. So which is maps brush. So here it is. So we're just importing it. Now we can just simple click on it, go to the sculpting. The important things first, of course, you can holding the space and just undo. You can have the size by holding B to make the size do you want, and this one it need to be 100%, so we want to give all the information. And the second important thing is build up to be 100%. Then we can just select this and make sure everything is like the way we want and just click on it. So as you can see, now we have the same information as the vector displacement map. So I can now just drag and whatever thing they are. And of course you can also using it for the second one if you want to importing it. So you need just simple go ahead and add this once again, and it will work as the same one. So thanks for watching.